Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my IDM Scratch tutorials. This is just a quick video showing you how to submit your game onto the Google Classroom and just to check and make sure you've published everything. So when you go to scratch.mit.edu, you'll come to this page. Yours might look a little bit different. Click on your username, go to My Stuff, where all your projects are stored. And this is the one I've been working on with you guys. You've been watching these videos, so I'm going to click on this one. Make sure you've got instructions put on your game so that people know how to play it, whether you're using WASD as your directional movement or your arrow keys, what your goal is, and what to avoid. So you should have shared your game at this point, but if not, make sure you hit the orange share button. Go down to the bottom here. Make sure you've added it to the Grade 9 IDM Q3 Studio if you haven't already, and then go to copy link. You're going to be copying this link right here, so Command C or Control C, the link at the top, and you're going to be going to your classroom, scrolling down under classwork until you get to Unit 2, Introduction to Block Coding, and you will be clicking on Maze Game Block Coding in Scratch. View assignment, go to instructions, and right here you'll have a little box. I don't have one because I'm a teacher, not a student, where it says add or create. You're going to click on that. You'll get a drop-down menu showing you different things you can add. I want you to click on link and then paste the link that you just copied from right here in your game to the classroom, and then submit it once you're done your game. Remember, I need your games submitted today so that I can take a look at them and mark them before the end of this period and report cards. So make sure you've submitted your game and published it. And thanks a lot, you guys. You did great, even with the sort of challenge of moving to an online learning environment. So hopefully you still had some fun learning block coding and made some cool games. I've been kind of taking a look inside some of them, trying to give some feedback. So have a good one.